Here we are at the AI Summit in New York. I'm very happy to say I've got with me Andrea Qiu, Senior Data Scientist, Global Data Science and Innovation at Merck. Welcome.
Thank you, Chuck. Thanks for having me here.
So you're presenting. Tell me where we are at the state of machine learning these days.
Yeah, so recently we've seen a really great trend to embrace the digital transformation everywhere, like in the healthcare industry. However, there's a high demand of interpretability because we cannot just trust a black box and provide all these to our from patients to healthcare providers. They all need to understand why this happened. Thus, we do have a trend to use more traditional machine learning compared to things like neural networks, deep learning stuff.
So how did this black box that you mentioned, that's a really big issue in AI. How do companies deal with that?
So for example, for us, we utilize the models that are provide more interpretability, and usually, if we are giving some suggestion to the healthcare providers or our sales representatives, we will try to find the most impactful factors or features through the model, and we will try to humanize the words, explain to them what's happening in the back end, rather than just directly give the result to them.
So when companies sometimes they're bringing technology in from the outside, AI technology, they're developing inside. How do they determine or provide the black box issue when they get something from the outside that they don't know what it is?
Yeah, I think that's also an issue about whether we try to buy that or directly, or should we build it in-house? So we do see a lot of trend, especially pharma companies or hospitals, etc. Because they don't traditionally have this data or tech background, so they tend to use a lot of external vendors and purchase a solution directly. However, these kind of solutions are relatively wrapped in the black box. Although we can work with them to unwrap this, it is better to just build in-house so that we know what we need exactly. We start from what problem we are trying to solve rather than finding directly jump to the solution.
So is that because healthcare is so important because of the security and patient information that the healthcare industry is going to have to go much more in-house?
I think there are a lot of regulations overall, but I think also vendors or in-house solutions, both of them can try to comply with these regulations, but in-house we have a better communication with our no matter from marketing team or research team, we have a better connection and better understanding of what problem we are trying to solve. I think that's an issue.
So a year from now, we're having a conversation here. What will we be talking about? In machine learning.
Yeah, so actually, I'll probably just trace 1 year back, because 1 year back was when I joined Merck, and at that moment, our team only had 5-10 people, for the digital data science department, and now we are at 200 people. Yeah, so I do see this trend. A lot of people are joining to bring the digital transformation to the healthcare industry. And I think, a year from now, when people are more familiar with all these existing data analytics and the traditional machine learning, maybe there is a chance that we can bring in the more advanced solutions to the healthcare industry.
Well, I look forward to that conversation. Thank you very much.
Thank you.